again. I'm Cindy Uglow, and it's my privilege to be hosting Faces and Places here. And we have Suda from Siam Spicy. We are going to be doing a segment on the diversity of all our restaurants. Not all of them, because we wouldn't have time. But Siam Spicy is located on Novi Road. Yes. And this is Suda. So Suda, say hello to the audience.
Hi.
And tell us a little bit about Siam Spicy.
Okay, Siam Spicy, actually the full name is Novi Siam Spicy. It's like an authentic Thai cuisine.
Thai cuisine.
Yeah, and I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. So, you know, what we prepare is the authentic Thai food, which is very good. And actually a lot of people not gonna know that what's different between Thai food and Chinese food. The Thai food is more like tasty, more healthy, because most of the dishes we not use MSG. And the sauce is perfect, and we have a lot of variety. Like, you know, we have some appetizer that's very good, like a satay, which we make like fresh. And then we have like authentic stuff like a salad, Thai salad, which is
made from what?
Made from like, you know, like Italian dressing, something like that. It tastes pretty close, but it's like have some sour, some salty, you know, all some spicy. So all that spice and every taste in that salad is awesome, and it's very healthy because no oil, no nothing in there.
Oh, MSG?
Yeah, no MSG. And
that's good to know.
Yeah, and the authentic, real authentic is the Thai curry.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what you know, it's like with coconut milk and curry paste. And then we have some stir fry. But the most good thing is the noodle. The noodle, you know, like Thai people, lunchtime, it's just like, you know, just like American people. The lunch is like go, go, go. So it's easy to grab is the noodle. So the noodle is like, we have pad thai, it's like 90% of us. Our sale is pad thai. So pad thai, pad see ew, everything is good. And you can order with no spice or a little bit spice. And if people like to try hot, you know, so it's like
you can make it as hot as they want.
Oh yeah, that's what we eat too. So you know, we know how to do it. You have to try, Cindy.
Yes, we were talking before the program started that I've never tried Thai food.
Oh yeah, you missed something.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So how long have you been in Novi?
Oh, 6 years already.
Wow.
Yep. And the first 2 years we have some advertising, but lately it's like everybody know us. And it's word of mouth is the best.
Good.
So, you know, we very crowded, very busy. But, you know, dinner is depend, you know. And Friday night, Saturday night is busy. Sunday we have the all day too. We start from 12 to 3 for lunch. After 3 is dinner time. So, you know, it's like a family day. Sundays keep on coming. So it's good, relaxing atmosphere.
Yeah, very friendly. When I walked in and handed you the map yesterday, your daughter, everyone was so friendly. So friendly. Yeah. Your staff is very knowledgeable.
Yeah. Actually, all the staff is kind of like a family related.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, that's one thing nice that you can, you know, get on them a little bit, you know. But everybody doing good job.
You are located
in the West Oak 2 Plaza.
Okay, and by Toys R Us.
By Toys R Us. So
okay, it's so easy to find, easy in and out.
Yeah, and we have dine-in and carry-out.
Oh, that's good to know.
Oh yeah, most of the, you know, like the carry-out is like we give you a good portion. So actually, you know, a lot of people like, oh, I buy one dish we can eat for 2 meals. So it's, you know, it's good for the price.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming in and telling us about Novi Siam Spicy. And glad to have you in Novi.
Thank you, and hope everybody go try it.
Yes,
especially you. Okay. Thank you so much, Cindy.
You're welcome.
This is going to help us a lot.
Good,
yeah.
Good.
Thank you, everybody.
And we'll be right back with our next guest. Thank you.